Hey, so it's an absolutely beautiful day. We are going to get this garage cleaned up. Oh my. We have a lot of work to do. Seem related? No, it is not related. How is this related to cleaning the garage?
It was destroying our garage. This is helping the longevity of the garage.
Happy?
Are you leaving it like that?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously? Hun.
It looks good.
Are you freaking kidding me?
I want to work on the garage. Think this garage could hold up a Mustang? What is all this stuff? This is the back of our garage.
This sucker is huge.
Yeah, that was a big vine. So maybe I'll give it a little bit of background. We just moved into our house. We've been working on all kinds of projects all around it. It's a big house. It's from like the 1920s. And this is our kind of creepy backyard area. Whoa, no, no. That is a saw. That is a pole saw. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
This is our
Hands off of it.
project.
You monster. Stop it. The person who was here before us was here for like 50 years and did all kinds of kooky things.
He took care of it, but there's...
Well, it's sat. It sat for a while. Anyways, there's just a whole lot that needs to be done, like this. Taking down vines.
My gosh!
It's a vine. Vines are irritating.
I like to you out here just to like...
I know. I'll come out. So yeah, that's the inside of the garage. This little like extension to it. You can see daylight through the floorboards. Kind of dumb. Then here's our Mustang. And this is what we've been working on. Cleaning up all this mess. So we can get this Mustang into the center of the garage and start taking it apart. Stupid engine. But I'm excited. I'm gonna go help my wife before I get divorced. I mean, this garage is absolutely ancient. We don't even know what's up there yet. Nobody's been in the attic of this thing since we moved into the house. I do know there's something. There's a family of squirrels. We have to deal with that. But I mean, just completely in disrepair. And who in their right mind, who thought it was a good idea to make the floor of a garage cobblestone? It's brick. How stupid is that? Like, you can't roll around a jack, that's for sure. Good old Mustang. Just waiting for us to work on it. Oh my. How are there vines in here?
Oh yeah?
Just... Son, it's such a mess.
Yeah, we definitely need to clean out this garage.
Nathaniel, do you know what this is?
I found the biggest pine cone in the history!
That's a big pine cone. You know who brought that in here?
Who?
The squirrels.
Oh my gosh.
You know what this is, son? This is a hard dog roll bar. Yeah, there it is.
What's a hot dog roll bar?
There's a roll bar for the Miata.
What's Miata?
You know what the Miata was.
What Miata? Your car?
You were too young to remember the Miata.
But where is it now?
Where's the Miata now?
Yeah. Do we have it?
It's a very sad story. Before the days of the Mustang, I had an MX-5 Miata. It was an awesome little car. It was the upgraded one that had the I-box springs in it and all kinds of chassis stiffening, and it had a 6-speed manual. Such a cool car. I absolutely loved that thing. Just drove the absolute snot out of it. But when Nathaniel was a little baby, I was driving it one day, and an 80-year-old in a DTS, a Cadillac DTS, just blew through a stop sign and T-boned me. Wrenched the rear wheel right off of it, completely totaled the car. I spun around, went over a stop sign, and I remember waking up, and there was blood dripping all over my scrubs, and I gashed my head in on the convertible mechanism. Got a nice ambulance ride, some staples in my head. I'm fine now, but Miata's gone. So I had that roll bar because I was planning on starting to track it. Heartbroken. So sad. Hopefully we won't need this. What are you doing?
And then, Dad, can you charge this car?
We're not going to try to start it right now.
Why?
Nathaniel, are you doing another car restoration out here?
He said there's not a key there. Thought of his feet for what made it go.
No, I mean a key for this.
Sweetie, there's no engine in this one.
Why?
Horsepower is U-power. However fast
You power, Nathaniel.
No.
you're the horse.
You ready to go? Mom, are you going to detail the Mustang for us too? Hey, puppy. Come up here. Such an absolutely beautiful night. You almost wouldn't know that the world was in as much trouble as it is. I hope that you and your families are safe and happy and healthy. Enjoy this time with your families. It's absolutely unprecedented. There's just something about a really beautiful spring night. A really beautiful old car. Can't help but film it. Even with a stupid teddy bear in the back of it. Well, this garage that we've been working on is going to be our home for the next, I don't even know how long. I'm really excited for it. There's so much to be done. Nathaniel and I are forever grateful for you guys watching. For all the followers on Instagram we've gotten. Just tremendously blessed. So thank you to all of you for following along. It means the absolute world to Nathaniel that there are some people there who actually care to see it. Should be a fun story. Welcome to our home.